These are the tools you'll need for assembly. 2 spanners are provided, and you'll need an electric screwdriver or a Phillips hand screwdriver and a small stepladder. First of all, you need to unwrap everything and screw the feet to the bottom of the base. There are 8 feet, and these allow you to adjust and stabilise the base on uneven ground. The next step is to place the 70 kg bamboo base in the metal frame. These bases are made from bamboo and are filled with concrete. The next step is to place the rotating mechanism in place. There are 4 bolts which attach the mechanism to the base frame. Tighten them with the spanner provided. Next, place the metal sleeve over the mechanism in the direction indicated. Locate the sleeve on the 4 protruding nipples. Then screw the bamboo locking screws into position. One is on the back and one is on the side. These locking screws lock into the stainless steel cog. Place the upright bamboo post in the sleeve, ensuring the badge is upright and facing forward. Screw the winch into place using the 6 screws provided. Ensure that the rope is facing upwards. Bolt the post to the frame using a long bolt and nut set and tighten with the 2 spanners provided. The next step is to attach the cleat with the 2 screws. Make sure the grooves inside are facing upwards and the rope feed is on the top. Assemble the cross pole and the end hook, taking into consideration the direction of the pole and the hook. Place the ladder next to the side wind frame. Make sure the pulley and the winch is on the same side as per indication above and below. Use the long bolts and spanners to fasten the pulley to the bottom post. Adjust the position of the stepladder to the one shown here. Bolt the arm to the pulley with the long bolts and spanners, ensuring that the hook faces upwards. Take the nut and the washers off the hanging bolt, as this aids assembly. Unwrap the plastic from the canopy. Lift and place the canopy on the end hook. Now place a washer and locking nut on each side and use the spanners to tighten up both sides. Gently swing the canopy sideways to get the washers in the round opening. The washers hold the canopy in place. Make sure that the rope at the bottom is not tangled or trapped. Feed the top rope through the pulley at the top. Thread the rope through the cleat. Feed the rope through the bamboo handle and make a simple knot at the end and pull the handle over the knot. Pull all the rope out of the winch as you undo it so that the rope does not get tangled inside the winch. Then thread the rope through the roller. Screw the end cap off the cylinder and feed it over the winch rope, making sure the thread is facing away from the winch. Tie a figure of 8 knot and then do a second for safety. Pull tight and then make a loop and put the U-bolt over the loop and loosely tighten the nuts on the U-bolt using the spanner provided. Place the loop through the karabiner and make sure the karabiner is tight. Pull both ends of the rope apart to tighten and then finish tightening the U-bolt fully. Once the rope assembly is complete, reassemble the cylinder.